So how does the awaiting authorisation status work? This status is to handle the more complex situations that can arise in property management. For example, sometimes a tradesperson has attended a property with a $300 work order limit, but it turns out that further works are required as it's going to cost more money than originally anticipated. For example, a plumber attends to fix a hot water service. However, when looking at the unit on site, rather than a $300 repair, it's going to cost around $2,000 as it needs to be replaced. So what happens here? The tradesperson at this point in time will complete what they can on site within the work order limit provided. However, if they have not been able to get approval, they can't proceed. At this point, the tradesperson is to mark the job as authorisation required. This means that the job is now frozen until further instructions have been provided. Now there are two scenarios from here. Scenario 1 is the same supplier continues with the work. Here the property manager simply marks the job as with supplier on the work order screen. They update the work order limit and any changes to the work order instructions, and the job will then be resent to the supplier. Once the issue is fixed, the tradesperson will simply mark the job as completed and invoice as per usual practice. Scenario 2 is if the landlord wishes to obtain quotes at this point in time. The property manager will now go into the work order and mark the job as awaiting quotes, then choose the suppliers and proceed. Tradespeople will be notified by an email that they have a job to quote on. Once all the jobs are received by all tradespeople, the property manager then simply chooses the successful tradesperson by changing the status to with supplier, and they'll be prompted to continue with the more substantial works.